Culurgiones are traditional Sardinian pasta pockets, similar to ravioli, filled with a mixture of potatoes, Pecorino Sardo, and mint. These unique pasta parcels are shaped to resemble a wheat stalk, symbolizing prosperity and the harvest. Culurgiones are typically served with a simple tomato sauce, allowing the delicate flavors of the filling to shine. The preparation of culurgiones is not just about cooking. It's a celebration of Sardinia's rich cultural heritage and community. These pasta pockets bring families together, especially during special occasions and regional festivals, symbolizing unity and tradition. Each bite of culurgiones tells a story, blending the earthy flavors of the island's ingredients with centuries-old culinary techniques. As the sun sets over Sardinia, the aroma of fresh pasta fills the air, bringing people together to celebrate life and culture. The meticulous crafting of each dumpling reflects a deep respect for tradition, as well as the passion and pride that locales have for their culinary heritage. In Sardinia, food is not merely sustenance. It is an expression of love, history, and a profound connection to the land. As younger generations learn to craft these beloved pasta pockets, they ensure that the spirit of Sardinian cuisine continues to thrive. These ingredients not only nourish the body, but also tell the story of the island's rich agricultural heritage and its influence on local cuisine. The art of making culurgiones is a time-honored tradition, bringing together families and friends in joyous culinary experiences. Every handmade piece is a labor of love, reflecting the patience and dedication that goes into creating this cherished Sardinian dish. Sharing a meal of culurgiones not only brings satisfaction, but also strengthens familial bonds and cultural identity. The combination of flavors in each bite is best appreciated alongside a glass of local wine, embodying the true essence of Sardinian gastronomy. In Sardinia, gatherings are often marked by laughter, storytelling, and the sharing of good food and wine, creating lasting memories. These moments of joy, set against the backdrop of Sardinia's stunning landscapes, highlight the integral role of food in the island's cultural festivities. Culurgiones stand out amidst a vibrant array of traditional dishes, each complementing the other in a harmonious celebration of Sardinian cuisine. The tradition of cooking and sharing recipes connects generations, ensuring that the flavors of Sardinia endure through time. In every gathering, the essence of Sardinian culture is expressed through the shared love of food, forging connections among friends and families. Every dish of culurgiones is a celebration of the island's bountiful land, crafted with ingredients that embody the flavors of Sardinia. In the heart of Sardinia, culinary craftsmanship is celebrated, where each meal becomes a cherished occasion. It captures the essence of Sardinian hospitality and a love for good food shared with good company.